Hello everyone, welcome to MedVision. Today in this video we are discuss about fatty livers. What is fatty liver? What is epidemiology, causes, factors, risk factors, and symptoms, diagnostic criteria, stage of fatty livers and treatment plan, and role of physiotherapy, and what to do prevention for a fatty liver. So let's discuss about. So guys, what is fatty liver? Fatty liver disease. We all know that fatty liver or a hepatic stenosis is a condition in which excessive fat builds up into the liver cells. It can be alcoholic fatty liver disease, or it can be non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is not caused by alcohol and most common liver disorders worldwide. Its range are simple fat accumulation to inflammation, fibrosis, cirrhosis, and even liver failure also. So this is the image of a healthy liver, and in fatty liver there is a coloration change into the liver and fibrosis becomes. So what is epidemiology? Epidemiology, most common chronic liver disease worldwide, affects the 25% of the global population. In India, prevails around the 30 to 40% of the population. Increases in children and adolescents and rising due to obesity, diabetes, sedentary lifestyles, and unhealthy diet. What are the causes of a fatty liver? The most common cause is obesity and the overweight. Type 2 diabetes mellitus, insulin resistance, excessive alcohol, unhealthy diet, high fat and sugar intake in their diet, sedentary lifestyle, having no exercise and no physical activity, high triglyceride and cholesterol into blood, PCOS. It is the disease of ovary. Genetic predisposition, certain medicines that cause a fatty liver, hypothyroidism, and a chronic stress. These are the causes of a fatty liver. So, what are the risk factors? There is a central obesity, hypertension, high blood sugar, and high triglyceride, low HDL cholesterol, above the age of 40, and a family history of a non-alcoholic fatty livers. These are the risk factors of the fatty livers. So, what are the symptoms of fatty liver and how to diagnose and the stages of fatty liver? Let's discuss in this slide. So firstly we discuss about the symptoms. What are the symptoms of the fatty liver? The fatty liver often is silent in early stages. That is most important. It occurs at silently. Symptoms usually appears when the disease progress. There is a lot of thickness feel in the body, discomfort or a pain in upper right abdomen, and unexplained weight gain. Weakness occurs, nausea is most common, loss of appetite is also seen most commonly, and generally malaise. So most people have no symptoms in early stages, regular checkups and important for early detection. This is the code. So how do we diagnose? First test is liver function test. There is a lot of enzyme that we seen in SGPT, SGOT, maybe normal in early stages. Ultrasonics of abdomen, fibroscan, also liver stiffness and fat content, MRI, some blood test, lipid profile, fasting blood sugars, HB1AC, insulin levels. These are the also important tests. And last is liver biopsy. It is in a selected cases like uh, to find out the last stage of fatty liver and found the other critical stage, liver biopsy also done. What are the stages of a fatty liver? A fatty liver with no fat accumulation is look like, but a fatty liver that is a steatosis, that a fat builds up into a liver cell and reversible in lifestyle changes. That is a grade 1 of a fatty liver. And next is NAS, fat with inflammation and liver cells injury. In fatty liver, there is a fat builds only in liver cells, but in NAS stage, there is inflammation which can create a liver cell injury and then progresses to fibrosis. Fibrosis, a scar formation into a liver and can lead to cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a end stage of the liver extension. Scarring liver function is damage, risk of liver failure and a liver cancer. Uh, this is the end stage of a liver disease, may lead to liver failure or a liver cancer. So these are the stages of a liver, fatty liver. So what we can do, how to treat fatty liver, what is the role of physiotherapy and other exercises in fatty liver, and how to prevention. Let's discuss about. So what is in treatment? There is a lifestyle modification is a first line treatment. Weight loss, loss weight 7 to 10% of body weight, reduce fatty livers. Regular exercise is most important, at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise. I repeat, aerobic exercises per week. Healthy diet, balanced diet rich in vegetable, fruit and whole grains, low protein and healthy fats is most important to prevent from fatty liver. Avoid alcohol because it is the most common cause of fatty liver. And certain medications, insulins and sensitizers, antioxidants and vitamin E, as per doctor advice, because in the excessive intakes of these medicine lead to fatty liver. And control associated conditions like must be controlled diabetes, management of a cholesterol and triglyceride, control BP of your body, and treat PCOS and thyroid disorders. So, what are the important physiotherapy help? If you have insulin sensitivity and metabolic disorders, physiotherapy can improve it. It reduce the visceral fat and overall body fats, improving muscle strength and endurance, reducing stress and improve sleep quality and improve cardiovascular health. This is the most important. Recommended physiotherapy interventions: bracing, walking 30 to 45 minutes a day. It is most important to your digestive tract, to your metabolic system, and your overall health conditions. It is most important. Brisk walking. Next is aerobic exercise. A lot of aerobic exercises that help to increase a metabolic rate and improve the sensitivity and improve your cardiovascular health. So there is a lot of strengthening training, stretching and flexibility training, core stability and the breathing exercise are the most important. Stress management and relaxation techniques are also important. Most important is posture correction. That is also important. So, how to prevent a fatty liver? Always eat a healthy diet, more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and lean protein is most important. Avoid sugary drinks, junk foods, and refined carbohydrates. Maintain healthy and body weights. BMI is 18.5 to 24.9. Count as a healthy BMI. Exercise regularly, at least 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes sessions in a daytime. Get adequate sleep, 7 to 8 hours per night. Management your stress, yoga, meditation, and breathing. Regular checkups, monitoring functional liver health. Avoid alcohol and smoking and other co activities that damage liver cells. So this is about all about a fatty liver. What are the causing factors? How do we manage? What are the investigations and role of exercises in fatty liver? So if you found this video is helpful, like, share, and subscribe this video and subscribe to Medicine. Thank you.